Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 and I'm going to try to enable the welcome ceremony, the needle sweep function in this instrument cluster. Over here I have OBDeleven that's already connected to the car, and this is the screen that you will get once you are connected, and we are going to enter the modules list. Let's go to module number 17, which is instrument cluster. Over here it's called dashboard. And in this car, I believe we will not find this function in long coding. We can go to the long coding and look for it, but I believe that we actually should go to adaptation. So let's enter adaptation, and over here there should be a function related to the needle sweep function. Let's just see, it's called staging, I believe. Over here, staging. It's not active, let's set it to active. And this adaptation was accepted, so right now we can disconnect from the car. Let's turn off the ignition and let's check if it worked. So the ignition off, we have some message over here, and after a few seconds let's try to turn on the ignition. Let me position the camera differently so we can better see, and ignition on, and that's it. Okay, in the description below this video you will find this this procedure, details about it, as well as some useful links. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.